Would you rather have a voice that sounds like Darth Vader or Mickey Mouse? Live in a house made of Legos or gingerbread? Always have sticky hands or always have a runny nose? Would you rather sneeze glitter or fart confetti? Would you rather be stuck in slow motion all the time or stuck in fast forward? Have to do a cartwheel every time you enter a room or do the worm every time you leave? Have to communicate only using animal noises or only using interpretive dance? Have to skip everywhere you go or moonwalk everywhere?